Hello everyone, this is Suri Narsimham speaking on behalf of AP News Telugu, owned by Suri Narsimham. We are here today to speak with complete transparency and honesty. Recently, our channel received a strike from YouTube and we would like to sincerely apologize for that. At AP News Telugu, we focus on local news and updates from Nellore. All our videos are recorded using our Vivo Y21G camera and we always try to capture real events and share useful information with our community. However, if any of our videos unintentionally violated YouTube policies or caused any misunderstanding, we take full responsibility. We assure you our intention was never to spread misinformation or create any kind of harm. We are reviewing all our content and correcting our approach. Going forward, we will strictly follow all YouTube community guidelines. We are committed to delivering ethical, verified and valuable news to our viewers. We kindly request the YouTube team to accept this sincere apology and give us the opportunity to continue our service. And to our viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support and trust. We promise to come back more responsibly and stronger than ever. Thank you, AP News Telugu Nellore.